This is the Genesis G80. The Genesis G80 features customizable instrument cluster widgets, which can provide a variety of information. When the instrument cluster is in normal view mode, the widgets are displayed in the center of the instrument cluster screen. When in other cluster display modes, such as driving assist or map, the widget display will be on the right side of the cluster. To hide or show the widget display, simply press and hold the optical mouse button located on the right side of the steering wheel. To enter or exit widget display mode, quickly press the same optical mouse button. When in widget display mode, depending on the page, you can swipe up, down, left, or right on the optical mouse button to navigate between widgets. By selecting this widget, the current playback media can be displayed. By swiping right, you can view the navigation widget page. Swipe up or down to select between compass, destination information, and upcoming navigation directions for the entered route. Swiping right brings up the driving information page. Swipe up or down here to select between the drive power distribution and the pressure widgets. By swiping right again, you can view the trip information page. Since refueling and current trip widgets. Current trip shows the current trip distance, total driving time, as well as average and instant fuel economy. This widget resets every time you turn the vehicle off and then on. The Since Refueling Trip widget shows information relating to the vehicle since the last time the vehicle was refueled. The Since Last Reset Trip widget shows information relating to the vehicle usage since the last time this widget has been reset. To reset the current trip, Since Refueling or Since Last Reset widgets, press the optical mouse button twice on the steering wheel while the widget is displayed. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.